Right, boys and girls, I got this one in the post as well, quite recently. Asec 50mm. Well, it says security, but it's pretty basic, but it's for its size, it gives up quite easily. I'll be using the Go-So hook again, and I've been getting along quite well with these because they're that strong. You can do whatever you want to them really, and they just take it. Good. I'll get it raked as well. That's just what I seem to be doing at the minute. It's just single pinning it and then raking it at the same time. So I'll try and do both if I can do it. You see that? There it is. Right. Okay. Oh, didn't even hear the pop then. Do it again. Locked up. There you go. And we're open. Cheers.